Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be braiding this hair. I'm going to be twisting it using yarn, or you can call it Brazilian wool. And I pre-parted the hair because I want to save time, and I already arranged the hair according to the size I need for the braid. To braid your hair with Brazilian hair, like I always said, you have to make sure you moisturize your hair very well because it can dry out your hair. And to moisturize this hair, what I'm using is I'm using some olive oil, which I already applied earlier, and then now I'm just applying a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and then I went ahead to add some butter. Brazilian hair is very good because it's already pre-sectioned into small strands that you can just pick and use. This hair, I'm going to be using 6 strands of it, which I just count for each hair. I count 6 and I'll use to braid the hair. If you're having problem gripping the roots, no problem, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to grip the root just by using the grabbing method, which is very easy. And after I grab it 2 times, I will braid a little bit up like 3 times, then I'll start twisting. Before I start twisting, I will separate the hair into two and then use each of the section and add to the strands of yarn to hair, and then I join it together. Make sure that I fit in really inside, cover the hair, the natural hair itself in the yarn, then I start twisting. This Brazilian wool is very good, especially for kids who are allergic to mesh, or you can call it synthetic fiber. But with this, when you do it, they don't feel anything and it blends very well with their natural hair. Now I'm going to show you very slowly what I mean by rubbing 2 times and braiding like 3 to 4 times before twisting. Now I just take the mesh, count 6 strands, I put it around the hair, rub it the first time, rub it again the second time, and then I take the two sides of the yarn and then I braid it now with her hair on the other side. Once I braid 3 to 4 times, then I divide it in the middle, add it to the other side, and I start to. I'm just going to keep repeating the same procedure for all the hair until I'm done. So now guys, thank you all so much again for coming, and if you are new to my channel, you're welcome. On my channel there is a join button. If you like what I do, please join my membership. I also have a super thanks on my channel which you can help to support me, and if you also want my PayPal account, I will send it to you. Thank you all so much. So please, I will leave you to enjoy some music while you watch the rest of the video. Also, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscription is free. Just click the red button